How to change the background color of a single page in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to multiple view page in Word. After that, simply go to Insert. In Insert, you'll find Shapes. Click on Shape and then click on Rectangle. After clicking on Rectangle shape, draw it in the page you want to color in. Simply drag it to the full page and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Shape Fill and select any color you want. After that, go to Wrap Text, which is beside Possession. Click on Wrap Text and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Behind Text and all your text will be seen. You need to change text color and background color to different. And that's how you change the background color of a single page in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.